Many years ago, while serving as a bishop, I asked our ward council, how could we become the most welcoming and friendly ward? We counselled together on what it would be like to come to our ward for the first time. Who would greet us? Would someone sit with us? What would happen if we weren't dressed correctly or were clearly struggling with an addiction to smoking? Together we developed some ideas and as a ward council committed ourselves in the coming weeks to try to personally shake hands with new people and help them to feel welcome and comfortable. Discuss ways of becoming a most welcoming and friendly ward in each auxiliary and quorum meeting. Invite young men to be in the parking area before meetings to greet everyone and to provide assistance to anyone that needed help. Invite young women to be greeters in the foyer and help all entering the building to feel the Saviour's love. Introduce new people to a member of the bishopric. Welcome and recognise all new people at classes, auxiliary and priesthood meetings. Avoid making any judgments or suggestions to new people or returning members who are not dressed in normal church attire. Make recommendations for callings and assignments to new members that will bless their lives and help them to feel needed and to learn and grow. Assign ministering brothers and ministering sisters to care for new members. Work shoulder to shoulder with full-time missionaries so that those they are teaching are connected and have ward member friends who love them as soon as they start attending church. As we follow these examples of ministering, it is my prayer that we will welcome, love, care for and minister to all people who attend our wards and branches. As we do this, we will experience great joy, and they will feel the Saviour's great love for them through us.